Howdy. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We're not in any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That sounds like a lot of paperwork, Goofy, but why not?
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Well, friends, looks like your premiere took a slight detour. So go ahead and make your way through the screen. Welcome to the
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the van? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hi, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mickey and Minnie.
Sure to take good care of our friends.
What's there with me? What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, no. I'm about to hit that track switch.
Ladies and gentlemen,
There they are! Maybe right now! Nothing can stop us now! We have to stop them before they go over the...
Welcome, dancers, welcome! Come, come, come! Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces! It's so nice to see you! Come on in, don't be shy, that's right! Everyone to your positions! Ready, and... 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3! Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together! Now, let's conga!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you told you nothing was gonna go wrong.